Hi, this is Uma Mahesh from CRM Ones. In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up the Power Apps portals. So you can go to the your browser, enter the trials.dynamics.com, and you can select that which module you need it. So by default, generally we will take it as a sales, and click the here sign up here. So in the top, you can see the sign up here. So once you click on the sign up here, click on the no continue sign up. So to set up the Power Apps portal, first we need to create a Dynamics 365 plan, or we have to create this Office 365 account. So when you create this Dynamics 365 trial plan, so you will get everything for what are the things you needed, the Office 365 and Dynamics and everything will set up it. So here we can give that our email address. So we can just give that and click on next. So here we can create our account. So we can just so I'm just giving some company name. So how many people in this company, we can select it, and country region you can select it, which country you have. Once you have mentioned these fields, then click on next. So you can, it will send that verification code. We can send the verification code. So once we got this verification code, you can enter here and click on verify. So you need some domain. So I'm just giving this domain name, whatever my company name, I kept it. So once you enter this domain name, click on the next, and you can enter the name and make sure that this username and password you copied, whatever you enter this username and password. So this username and password will be our CRM or our portal login credentials. These are. So it will take some time to create an Office 365 account and set up the backend things for us. So once it is set up it, so here we will get like a button. So when you click on let's go, it will take to the admin.power platform. So once it is navigate to the admin.powerplatform.com, so here you need to mention that you are the what's the environment name. So like I'm saying Sierra Dev. So this is the environment name, and you can select that region, and here you make sure that you have to enable this one as yes. By default it will come as yes. If you see like if it's a no, you have to enable it as yes. Click on next. So this is like a in the Power Platform. So it will set up the environment for us. So once the environment is ready, then only we can able to set up the Power Apps portal. So once here this environment is ready, so you can go to the here, what are the apps you want it for the Dynamics 365. So for the sales, we can have it like a Sales Pro and click on save. So after you click on the save, you can see right here this environment is preparing state. So if you refresh it after some time, it's just like a after some time like a few minutes you can wait. So once it is this environment is ready, so now this environment is ready. So you can open this your environment. Or you can directly in the left hand side, you can see the resources. So in the resources, you can see the portals. So if you want to do the portal administration, you can click on here. So all the portal administration part, it will load here. Since we don't have set up, we haven't set up any portals. So that's the reason here we are not able to see any portals here in the admin.power platform. Now, if you want to set up the Power Apps portal, so this part is like a whenever you want to do some practice or some kind of a trial environment, if you want to set up this is the first step. If you already have like a your Office 365 account or if you have a Power Apps license, then simply you can go to log into the powerapps.com. Sign in. So if you once you sign into the powerapps.com, you can see here all the apps in the home screen. You can see the here the tab portal from a blank, and if you click on this all the templates, click on all the templates, you can see the what are the apps with all the templates in the below. You can see. So for Office, sorry, let me go back to the home, and you can see the portals in the below. All the templates. We can search for customer. Sorry, it's my bad. So we have to change the environment to whichever the environment we have created previously. Now we can see that, go to the all the templates, and you can see the customer self-service and community portal. You can see in the portal type, the app type is a Canvas app, and you can see the app type is a portal. So in this case, I'm selecting customer self-service portal. You can select it. So you can enter your portal name. So I'm saying I'm keeping like a CRM portals, and you can enter that what the name you want it. So I'm just giving my organization name, and it will go and it will check it if this portal URL is available. So once it is available, then we can click on create. So once you click on the create, so it will take some time to set up the portal for us. So it like a time, it may be like a sometime it will take like a 10 to 15 minutes, or it's maximum it will take a 2 hours maximum time. So you can see here this portal is in the provisioning, or if you want to how you can check whether it is done or not, you can go to the apps. In the apps, you can see these CRM portals is in this in progress. So once this enabled here, so that portal will available for us. So like this, we can set up these CRM portals for trial environments or in the offices, or like in real Office 365, your company Office 365 account, you can set up like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.